Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we're taking a look at the Blink Video Doorbell. This amazing device allows you to answer your door no matter where you are, right from your smartphone. With 1080p HD day and infrared night video, along with two-way audio, you'll never miss a visitor. Again, The Blink Video Doorbell also offers long-lasting battery life, custom alerts, and privacy settings, making it a must-have for any home. You'll also get alerts when motion is detected or when someone presses the doorbell, giving you peace of mind at all times. You have the option to connect to existing doorbell wiring or pair with a sync module for live view and two-way audio on demand. You can even choose to save and share clips in the cloud with a free 30-day trial of the Blink subscription plan, or locally with the Sync Module 2 and USB drive. The best part? You can set it up yourself in just minutes, and it works seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to receive alerts and answer with two-way audio. So, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line video doorbell that offers convenience, security, and peace of mind, look no further than the Blink Video Doorbell. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and unboxings. See you next time.